Hi, I'm Adam with Copher Tile Stone. Are you considering a new tile shower, backsplash, floor, or any other tiled surface? We provide high quality residential tile installation services throughout the San Luis Obispo County area. When you entrust us with your installation, you can expect to have your ideas and concerns addressed. We take the time to listen and plan with you so that the end result of your project is exactly what you had in mind. Whether it's a curbless shower with lighted niches, radiant heated floor, a fireplace surround, or custom benches around a fire feature. Our greatest concern is to wow our clients with noticeably superior craftsmanship. Armed with years of experience, up-to-date training, and strategic industry connections, we can tackle a wide variety of challenges associated with tile installation. Copher Tile and Stone is invested in this community. It's where I've lived my whole life and where my wife and I have chosen to raise our daughter. We've earned a strong reputation of integrity in San Luis Obispo County as the go-to tile installation company for kitchens, baths, and other projects. We're licensed, insured, and ready to make our clients happy.